नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्र मैत्रिणींनो, आज आपण शिकणार आहोत अँगल बायसेक्टर थेरम ऑफ एन अँगल ऑफ ट्रायंगल. ठीक आहे. तर तुम्हाला जर का हा व्हिडिओ आवडला तर तुम्ही जरूर लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि शेअर करा. ठीक आहे. सो लेट अस सी angle bisector theorem of an angle of triangle. Here is triangle ABC. Here is triangle ABC. AD is the angle bisector. AD is the angle bisector means ray AD divides this angle BAC in two equal parts. Now angle bisector theorem of an angle of triangle is that this angle bisector divides the side opposite to that angle in the proportion of remaining two sides. Means if AD is the angle bisector, then BC is the side opposite to angle A. So this angle bisector will divide this BC in the proportion of AB and AC. Means what we have to prove? We are going to prove BD upon DC equals to AB upon AC. For example, suppose I am taking here BT. BT is angle bisector. Then BT is the angle bisector. Side opposite to angle B is AC. So AC will be divided in the proportion of remaining two sides. Remaining two sides means AB upon BC. Again I am taking one more example. Suppose here CM is the angle bisector. Then side opposite to angle C is AB. AB. It will be divided as AM upon BM. Remaining two sides are AC and BC. So, did you get it? What is meant by angle bisector theorem of an angle of triangle? Now we will prove this theorem. Here. What is AD? It is an angle bisector. Now what is meant by angle bisector? Dividing the angle in two equal parts. So see the magic. Angle BAD will be congruent to angle CAD. Why? AD is an angle bisector. It is given to us. Yesterday I have told you that in geometry, every theorem depends on your previous knowledge. Yesterday, you have studied about the BPT theorem. And in the BPT theorem, what is basic requirement? A line should be parallel to the third side of the triangle. So, here I have drawn line L. This line L is parallel to the AD. And this AB is extended. This extended AB and this parallel line L intersects in one point and that point is E. Now I have started from given information. Given information is that AD is angle bisector. So BAD is congruent to CAD. Okay. Now we will find out congruent angle of this BAD. We will find out congruent angle of this CAD. Now see this figure. AD is parallel to EC. And these two triangles BAD and BEC, these are corresponding angles. So congruent angle for BAD is AEC. So instead of BAD, here I will write down AEC. Now see this angle CAD. Watch this figure. AD. It is parallel to EC. These two, DAC or CAD and ACE. These are alternate angles. So instead of CAD, here I will write down ACE. Agree? Now, see this triangle AEC. AEC. Now in AEC, what you have observed? Base angles are congruent. Therefore, according to the converse of isosceles triangle, side AC will be congruent to side AE. Agree? Now, AE, AC. Now see this figure. Triangle BEC. BEC. In this BEC, AD is parallel to C. Now, in triangle, one line segment is parallel to the third side. So, we will use BPT here. BPT is BD upon DC is equal to AB upon AE by using basic proportionality theorem. But here we have already proved that what is AE? It is AC. So BD upon DC is equal to AB upon AC. Thus here angle bisector theorem of an angle of triangle